word which all of us hear a lot of times, and now we feel that it's just a part of our life. But do actually know what is it, what are its causes and effects, and what are we supposed to do to reduce it? I know most of you say yes that we know all these things, but above all, the main question is, have you ever made an effort to take a step forward to reduce the global warming? Imagine you live in a wooden hut in Alaska. It's chilly up there, so you make yourself a huge log fire and a pile on all the wood you can find. To start with, the fire seems a great idea, especially it's so cold outside. Since the hut is much warmer and it's soon pretty cozy. Since the hut is much warmer than the atmosphere and the ground that surround it, and it loses heat quite quickly. If the fire supplies heat at the same rate the hut loses it, the hut will make at the same temperature. But if you make the fire too big, the hut will get hotter and hotter and hotter. Within a while, you will start feeling uncomfortable. You haven't made the fire too big in the first place. But once it's burning, there's nothing you can do to stop it. But global warming is working a bit like this, thanks to a variety of things that people do. Our earth is getting warmer year by year. It's not warming up noticeably, at least not in the short term. By the end of the 21st century, however, global warming is likely to change the Earth's temperature around 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. According to NASA, global warming refers to the long-term warming of the planet. Global temperature shows a well-documented rise since the early 20th century. There are 75% chance of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius of warming and 50% chance of 5 degree warming. As we came out of the ice age, the earth was warmed by 5 degrees over about 5,000 years. Modern climate change threatens to produce the same amount of warming in as little as a century. Once something as big as a planet starts to warm up, it's very hard to slow down the process and almost impossible to stop it completely. Global warming clearly means a big trouble. Now let's get to know what is the reason behind global warming. Some of the natural reason includes rotation of the sun that changes the intensity of sunlight and moving closer to the earth, greenhouse gases, etc. And how can we forget humans' contribution to the global warming? Deforestation, mining are just of the some examples of human that on today's Earth's condition. The effects of global warming are really such devastating with climate change. Some of them are heat waves, droughts, heavy rainfall with floods, heavy snowfall, etc. The condition is really getting bad and devastating. We are lucky to call Earth our home. When your home is burning out, don't we take a step to save it? And thank God some of the organizations had taken the matter seriously and are working on this matter. Some of the organizations are WWF, National Geographic Society, etc. Some of the solutions that can stop the global warming are: we should use fuel efficient vehicles like electric cars that will decrease the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Then people should stop burning the garbage, open burning garbage and dried leaves that releases CO2. These are my views on global warming. So I hope that you will make the earth clean and global warming free. Thank you.